Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you some of the updates to Canvas Studio, including the captioning. Once you've recorded your video, maybe you've done it in Studio or outside of Studio. For this demonstration I'm going to upload a video that I used Camtasia to create. So the first step is to click on the Studio icon inside of Canvas. This takes you to your library, and from here you can add a video using the plus add, or if you wanted to go inside of a folder, you can open up the folder and then add the video inside of there, which is what I'm doing. The next step is to either drag or drop or browse for the file. Double click on the file to upload, and then you just have to wait until it's uploaded and processed. So once that video is uploaded and processed, you can click on the thumbnail, and from here you can select Captions, then Request. For language, select the drop down and you can pick whichever language is in the video, then the blue Request button. Then you just have to wait for those captions to be processed, after which we will edit them. Okay, now that the captions have been processed, you can return to the captions area of the video and select English or whatever the language is. Next, you'll see the layout, so you'll have the video on the right and the text on the left. You also have a search for here as well as a replace tool. So if you find that a lot of the words you're saying are not being written out correctly, you can do kind of a find and replace. Here is an example. Let's just say the word badges. I say the word badge quite a bit, and let's say that I wanted that to be capitalized. I could search for the text here. You can see it's brought up 7 results. So now if I select replace, I could just write capital B-A-D-G-E and replace all simply with one click. Also, if you have a really long video and you're kind of lost as to where you are, you can also just search for the text here. So let's say ID was where I was, and I can find where I said that. So here it is at 1:07. If I click on that, on the video side, it jumps to that location, and then I can work from there. If you want to just play and edit, all you have to do is simply play the video and listen. Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to issue a Credly badge, and when you need to make a edit you just pause the video. So right there I said Credly, but you can see on the left it translated it to deadly. What I'm going to do is just click on the text on the left and then edit it here on the right. For instance, like this, and then simply select save to save that, and that's it for that caption. And then you can continue listening down the list and correcting as you go along. Once you're finished making all of your corrections, you can select publish in the upper right corner. Thanks for watching.